Hey guys, quick little video today. Not much going on. Give you some duct sealing tips today. How to seal your ducts properly, and also I had a heat pump that I believe the ciders stuck either a nail or screw in. So give you some tips on how to avoid that. I couldn't avoid it in this instance. So let me tell you. So when you're running the refrigerant lines down a wall, make sure you leave them loose. Don't strap them, because if you strap it, inevitably it's going to get punctured with something. You want it to be able to swing out of the way if need be. Don't ever fix those in position inside of a wall. I couldn't avoid it on this job because they spray foamed it in, so it was locked where it was at. So hopefully it's not a pain in the ass to fix. I'm going to have to go back and fix that on Thursday. Tomorrow I'm going to be on the road back to that Sun River mansion house to do some more stuff, and I'll have some footage for you there. And then after that, I have another heat pump sales call to go to. No, actually, no, I don't. It's I'm going back to that house where they tried to rip this lady off and sell her a heat pump she doesn't need. I'm going to go do the second opinion thing and see if there's anything wrong with this system that I can find. So anyway, enjoy today's video, and yeah, let's keep plugging away. Daily videos for you guys every day. Hit that like, subscribe, and share button. I'd really, well, there's only the subscribe button, but please like and share as well. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much. Good morning, guys. Seton HVAC here. It is November 12th, 2024. A fine Ta-Ta Tuesday. Heading back out to my little remodel job. It's going to be an easy day. Like I said, this is a job that's right down the street from me. It's literally like 4 minutes. So I just kind of go pick at it here and there. You know, he's not in any big hurry. We're waiting on stuff. There's going to be stuff that's not ready for me. So these are trips just to go, you know, get some stuff done, so I'm not scrambling at the end when it all comes to an end. So no big deal. And he's real easy to work with. Everything's on the up and up. So I'm just gonna go out and do some duct sealing, button up some stuff down below. My humidifiers aren't showing up till tomorrow, so I got other stuff we're gonna be doing tomorrow. So I'll be back Thursday out there. So yeah, just kind of plugging away a little bit, bit by bit. The weather's starting to change. Phone's ringing off the hook. So you know, stuff behind the scenes that you don't see. I'm busy. I'm a busy guy. I don't show you everything in my videos. So yeah, just a quick little intro this morning. You know, again, I want to say thanks to all the veterans out there. You know, hopefully you had a really good Veterans Day. Appreciate everything that you do, of course, and everything that you have done to allow me to drive freely around this country and enjoy life. So when I was younger, I wanted to be in the military, but you know, sometimes the chips just don't fall that way. You have to get to work, and you know, it's not for everybody, and not everybody has that opportunity. But my heart is with them, and just wanted to say that real quick this morning. So I'll see you guys out on the job. I'll try to get you some shots of what I do today. Nothing too exciting, but you know, I try to do these daily videos for you, so I can get something out for you every day. But in regards to HVAC, or if I'm on vacation, I still try to get you videos with that crazy nonsense too. Just kind of an insight into my life, and I really appreciate doing it. So I'll see you guys out there. And guys, I got here this morning, and this unit should be running, and he is not running. I hope it's not those thermostats again. I'm gonna pull the panel off and see what's going on. Ugh. Okay guys, so I was getting an H5 error code, if you can see that. That is 5 times protection. So basically what it was doing was I was in low pressure. I haven't weighed in my charge yet. I just ran off the factory, and my line set's pretty long. So pulled the disconnect. I'm going to let the errors clear. It says if you just kill the power for a few minutes, it'll clear everything. I'll restart the unit back up, and then I'll charge it properly. In the meantime, I'm going to let this sit for a bit, and I'm going to go do some duct sealing. Yeah, baby. Laying down on the job. This is the part of the job that is not a Beauty contest, that's for sure. Gobber on there. Try not to get it in your face. Nickel thick. Nickel thick. Try to get everything. Get all the gores of all your 90s. Seal this shit up good. Make it look just like that. Nice and thick. Pretty comfy. Not gonna lie. I got a bunch of duct to seal all these ERV lines and everything. I got all the duct over there to seal. Show you guys the finished product when I'm done. Okay guys, just another quick little video. Just gonna get that shadow out of there. Another quick video of how you want your duct sealing to look, okay? Nice and thick, really painted on there. It's not the glamorous part of HVAC, but it's a very necessary one. So, you know, take your time, do a nice clean job with your duct sealing. Make sure your duct's 100% sealed. Take your time, go to the other side, make sure you haven't missed anything. 100% sealed. That's how I like to see all my duct. To that point, I'll continue on with it. I actually enjoy it. It's kind of soothing. I can kind of relax, put my music on, and just go to town on it. Sorry about my glare here. Yeah, but look at that. It's kind of gratifying, actually. Another important thing, guys, I want to mention too is if you notice, if you plan it out when you put your duct together, make your snap block seam point towards an easy place to seal. So when you go back to seal, your seam isn't, you know, on the underside. That kind of is, but it's easy to get to. You know, I didn't tuck it back in there. Make sure all your snap block seams and everything on your duct are easy to get to. It'll make it a lot easier to seal this stuff later. Just another little tech tip there. All right, I got old Betsy fired back up. She's probably gonna, yep, there she goes. She's firing back up. I'm gonna go get my refrigerant and my scale, pop some juice in her. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we don't have any juice in her. What the hell? I wonder if they hit these. Oh man, yeah, they're gonna have to pull this cover off. Hit it with a screw or something. That's gonna be fun. I hope it's not right in the wall. Lovely, just lovely. All right. God darn it, man. This is why I don't like new construction jobs like this. Something like this always happens. I guarantee you there's a screw or they nicked it with something, because they were sawing here. They had to saw this out. I bet they sawed and nicked my line. Okay. Okay, so this fix is going to have to be for another day. I don't even have these. These are what these are. These little trim screws. They kind of mimic like trim nails, like in you know, if you were doing baseboard or something. And they've got a really, 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 I'll say it 3 more times, really, really, really small Torx head on them. I don't have that, and I'm not running to Home Depot just to get a bit, so he's gonna have to pull this off for me. You know, so what it is there's a square piece back here that he screwed in. I wonder if he screwed, my line comes up right here. I wonder if he screwed right into it, and you just didn't hear it because it's you know, it's inside the spray foam and everything. You wouldn't hear it from the other side of the wall here. Happens all the time on these jobs. That's why you don't want to clamp these, but it, you know, it was kind of fixed in place because when they spray foamed it wouldn't move, you know. That's why when you run line sets down a wall on a house that's not finished, or even if it is finished, you don't want to clamp it. Just leave it floating. That way it can kind of try to move out of the way. Yay. Okay, let's go back to duct sealing. That's more fun. All right, guys, I got most of my duct sealed here. I got some appointments I got to get to this afternoon, and then tomorrow we're on the road back down to Sun River. I'll talk to you about it here when I get on the road. But yeah, turns out good, you know, when you take your time. Make sure your duct's sealed good. It's a conditioned crawl space, so This thing heats up really good. It's a very nice system. I'm really proud of it. So we just got a bunch of stuff we got to fix on the drains. He gave me a hub here. I'm going to cut that down a little bit. We're going to run everything from. He's going to have a pump over here. We're going to keep this pump here. I'm going to run that tubing up over here now because he had it going outside. We can't have that going outside. It'll freeze, especially in this climate. And then there'll be a pump there for the ERV and his tankless, and we'll pump that over into there. And I'm going to have it all mechanical connections, so if anything ever backs up, it's not going to pop out. So yeah, plugging away. I got a bunch of material I need to get out of here. Just little things left here. When I get my humidifiers tomorrow, I'll get those mounted. I'll get those swapped out, so we got bigger humidifiers that are going to keep this place where they need it for the hardwood floors, and keep carrying on. Life is good. I'll be done with this one by Friday, 100%, hopefully. Well, 100% as far as I can get. I'll have to come back because he doesn't even have his range set, and I got to run that duct all the way in the back. It's got like 80 feet, 60 feet probably, 40 feet, 45, 50 feet, something like that. But yeah, this is the carnage from a big job that I do. I got a bunch of extra parts laying everywhere. I don't really like doing these anymore. If I do them, I bid them really high, and I usually don't get them. So this one, he just happened to buy it on. So not that I bid it high. I bid it for what I need to make on it. Better get used to seeing this spray foam on these walls, guys. This is the future. This is code in Oregon now. It'll be code coming to a state near you soon. Okay, that's a wrap out here today. Another success, other than getting a screw or a nail or something through my line set. But that's to be expected on these projects. Happens all the time. Nothing surprises me. But I can't wait to get onto this Sun River job. I think you guys are really going to enjoy that one. It's it's just going to be an awesome fix for them from what they have now, and they'll be able to rent the thing out, Airbnb it, or outright rent it, whatever they want to do. And I'm sure they can get a pretty penny for it. So it's worth every penny that they're going to spend on this, for sure. So. And I'm happy to do it. I don't band-aid fix things, and that's what they've been doing on that house down there in Sun River forever. And this is not going to be a band-aid fix. This is going to be a 20-year fix at least, as long as we can keep the system maintained. So anyway, that's a wrap on that. I hope you guys learned a little bit about how you should be duct sealing, and every day's a learning experience, even for me. So I'll just keep pumping out these videos daily for you, and I'll see you tomorrow.